Hey guys, it's Darren Amato from Bandanas Online. I want to take you into the shop again today and show you what we're working on. Last time we were here, I told you that we had a new press coming in. Here's the air lines for the new press. The new press is not here yet, but it'll be here in about 4 days. Today we're working on a new bandana project for a client, Hudson River Park. I want to show you what we got going on with their bandanas. Take a look. They're rolling off the belt right now. What's unique about these bandanas is that there are photos on them. It's a one-color photo, but if you take a look, there's some fine lines there that we're capturing with all this aquatic life. The folks over at Hudson River Park came to us and asked if we could create a custom bandana for them that would really showcase their brand and what they're doing on their current environmental project. So there they are, coming off the belt right now. We've got these bandanas lined up. I'm going to bring you down this end, show you what's going on here. Here the bandanas are coming off the press wet. This ink is wet right now, and as they run through this dryer, they get hit with about 340 degrees worth of heat, and then when they come out, they are ready to go. That is a wearable, usable bandana. You can touch it, that ink is dry. So if you're looking for custom bandanas and you want something made in the United States, give us a call or see us online at bandanasonline.com.